How do you spell love? You spell love L-O-V-E. What do you got on your paper? Spell it. What did it say?
Love.
Let me see. Did you write it? Bring it here. Let me see. There we go. Good job, Zaya. Oh, calm down, Beavis. You love it? Oh, you just love it. Crazy boy. The baby's like, oh, I'm down. I'm laid out for fasting. Hi, Shinama. Hi, Shinama. What's there? There. That's nice. I like it. Kari, you didn't make me one.
I'll make you one, baby.
Okay.